Smooth love mixture cost conjectures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they in a real sense thought. We here sort of will give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for extremely smooth love elixir, SLP, in an unpretentious way. The fundamentally smooth love elixir has in no time acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers by and large are interested, and looking through the inquiries, like sort of is smooth love mixture, SLP, a wise venture, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is SLP worth purchasing in 2023? What will really be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How especially high can pretty smooth love elixir go? Or so they in a real sense thought. Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the smooth love mixture expected development and its cost expectation, all from pretty profound specialized investigation to major past cost diagrams. Smooth love mixture past value examination, which truly is genuinely critical. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of especially smooth love mixture, SLP, is $0.005, and SLP is as of now positioned number 538 in the in every way that really matters whole crypto market. The dissemination supply of SLP is 5,375,374,133, with a market cap of $28,705,703 in most certainly most recent 24 hours, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the by and large smooth love elixir's cost fundamentally has shown a great increment of 1.46% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, or so they thought. Smooth love elixir fundamentally is as yet confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The SLP is down to nearly 47.74% over the most recent 7 days, or so they in every practical sense thought. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of beyond couple of days. The coin could essentially have sort serious areas of strength for of in any case. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem and by and large beyond 30 days cost history, it essentially is seen that genuinely smooth love elixir for the most part has expanded 43.43% in its cost esteem. The typical lease cost for the 1 month is $0.003, while most extreme fundamentally normal cost was $0.003, which is very huge. This suggests that this coin essentially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to in every practical sense, your arrangement of coins for long haul, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is around 53.92%, and the cost flowed from a base most certainly normal worth of $0.002 to by and large greatest normal worth of $0.003, and the kind of beyond 90 days. In very most recent 4 months, sort of smooth love elixir has shown a developing pattern in a significant manner. Consequently, we feel that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of fundamentally smooth love elixir is expanded from 4 months, which is very critical. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin sort of is up by 52.53%. With the greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin was around $0.003, and the base kind of typical cost of by and large was around $0.002 and especially beyond 4 months. Smooth love elixir value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We generally anticipate future SLP cost expectations smooth love mixture conjectures by applying profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir. We essentially give a valiant effort to gather commonly most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which sort of incorporate various variables like past value, market cap, volume, and by and large more. Assuming that you really are hoping to put resources into digital money market, try to peruse our expectations. Smooth love mixture value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of smooth love elixir certainly is supposed to reach at a sort of least value level of $0.005. The SLP cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.006. with the typical exchanging cost of $0.006, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir value expectation for 2024, according to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of smooth love mixture sort of is anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at any rate worth of $0.008 in a sort of enormous manner. The SLP cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.010, with the truly normal exchanging cost of $0.008, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love elixir value gauge 2025-2026. The cost of smooth love mixture, essentially, is certainly anticipated to reach at a for the most part least degree of $0.011 in 2025, or so they thought. The by and large smooth love elixir cost can arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $0.013, with the typical cost of $0.011. All through 2025, the cost of truly smooth love mixture is especially anticipated to reach at a very least degree of $0.015 in 2026 in a significant manner. The smooth love mixture cost can by and large arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0.019, with the typical cost of $0.016 all through 2026, which truly is very huge. SLP value expectation for 2027. All things considered, smooth love mixture cost truly is figured to really arrive at a least degree of $0.023 in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.027, with the typical gauge cost of $0.024, or so they thought. SLP value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of SLP, in 2028, the cost of smooth love elixir sort of is determined to by and large be at around a base worth of $0.032. The smooth love elixir value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $0.040, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.033 in United States dollars, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture value expectation for 2029. The cost of one smooth love elixir, SLP, is supposed to essentially reach at a truly least degree of $0.045 in 2029, in spite of mainstream thinking. The SLP cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.055, with the typical cost of $0.047 all through 2029. Smooth love mixture value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the estimate and profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir generally is supposed